How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm going to show you this. How you can set any song as your alarm sound on your iPhone for free. And when I say any song, I mean it. You'll be able to set absolutely any song, your favorite tunes from your favorite artist, your favorite band, completely free as your iPhone alarm sound. So cool. This video is updated to iOS 18, so let's get started. Okay guys, so in order to do this, we will need GarageBand, which is a native Apple application that comes pre-installed in every single iPhone, and of course, it's completely free. If you don't see it, if you can't find it on your iPhone, maybe you have deleted it, but no problem at all. All you have to do is open up the App Store and then let it load. Go here to search at the bottom top corner here, and then tap on search, and then naturally go for GarageBand, as you can see right here, and then scroll a little bit down. You will see here GarageBand from Apple. I'll have a direct link in the description as well. You tap there, you come straight to this page, you just go ahead and get it completely free. Once it's finished downloading and installing, you can go ahead and open up GarageBand. As you probably tell, it's always in landscape mode, so let's go ahead and adjust. And if it's the first time you open it up, you see some screens. You can go ahead and okay, continue until you get to this very page right here and keyboard. But of course, we're not going to use the keyboard, so slide to the right just a few times until we get to audio recorder, which is exactly what we want. Tap on it, and then that's where we're gonna work. The first thing we have to do is check if the metronome right here is highlighted, because generally it is highlighted in blue. You gotta make sure it's not, so you gotta disable it and make sure it's highlighted in white, as you can see on mine right here. Okay, after you do that, go ahead and tap on this brick wall like symbol right here, this third from left to right. Okay, so the brick wall, and then as you can see, we're gonna have this kind of timeline structure, which is what we want. And then we have a teeny tiny plus button right here at the top right hand corner. Tap on it. Sometimes it's tricky, and then you will see right here song sections, 8 bars. Tap on it and then disable automatic, and then go ahead and switch to 30. As you can see, I'm manually here choosing arrow up until it gets through 30. There we go, perfect. So tap outside, and then we're good to go. We have adjusted our timeline, and we're pretty much done now, because all you have to do is go ahead here and tap on this loop, the second icon from right to left. Tap on it, and right here is that we're gonna actually select the song itself, the file itself that we want to use as our alarm sound. So tap on Files, the middle option, and right here we're gonna browse in the Files app. So tap on it, and right here we have our Files app. If you're not really sure what the Files app is, it's actually this guy right here, the Files app, the file manager of our iPhone. So then we can easily download music, download songs from Safari straight from our iPhone, from any website that you wish, and you go ahead and download it from wherever you want to do it. I'm downloading here from this audio library from YouTube, so it's a copyright free, so I'm downloading it from here. Okay, and then once I download it from Safari, it's gonna go straight to the Files app, to the Downloads folder, and then I can easily select it and of course import to GarageBand. That's how I do it. If you don't really know how to download files from Safari on your iPhone, you can simply go ahead and take a look at this video of mine right here. I have a link in the description where I show you how you can do this whole process, how you can use the Files app, and so on. Okay, so get back here to GarageBand, and then let's go ahead and select that song that we have just downloaded from the website from YouTube, which is this one, Good Energy, that I have just downloaded it. Okay, so let's tap on it, and then it's gonna select right here in just a few seconds. Please keep in mind that pretty much every single audio format is compatible with GarageBand, as you can see right here. So AIFF, WAV, CAF, Apple Loops, AAC, of course, MP3, and so on. So pretty much any audio file can be used as your iPhone alarm sound. Okay, so as soon as it shows up here, we can go ahead, tap and hold, and drag it to our timeline. I'm gonna show you. So tap and hold and drag, as you can see, up, and then there we go, all the way to the top, all the way to the left. And so right here we have our alarm sound. If I tap here on this play button, I can play back and see how it looks, how it will sound. So let's tap on it. This is pretty cool, right? Yeah. I love this as my ringtone. I'm gonna do it for sure. So all I have to do now, of course, is adjust if I want to. So if, for example, I don't like this first bit, this introduction, I can go ahead and tap on it and then just adjust. So I can cut this beginning or not, or if I just want this middle portion, I can just go ahead and just get this middle portion and readjust here. So it's up to you how you want to do it, okay? Of course, I want that very first part because I like it, so I'm gonna leave it as it is, okay? Now, we're good to go. All you have to do is tap on this first icon right here on the left with the arrow pointing down, tap on it, tap on my songs, and then it's already gonna save, as you can see, and it has created my song3.band. That's the one I had just created. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and tap and hold, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tap on share at the top right-hand corner, share right here. And what I'm gonna do is share as a ringtone. I know I want an alarm sound, but no problem. It's ringtone, okay, trust me. So tap on ringtone, as you can see, and then length will be adjusted, great, tap on continue, don't worry about that. And then for the name, you can name it whatever you want. You can pick the name of the song or any other name. I'm gonna put here YouTube, just so you know, it's what we're doing right now. So then I'm gonna tap on OK, and then export at the top right-hand corner. It's exporting as a ringtone. It's just gonna take a few seconds, it doesn't take long, and then we're good to go. We can tap on OK, and we're good to go, guys. We can exit GarageBand, we can go ahead and choose, again, portrait mode, and then let's go ahead and open up our clock, our alarms, tap on any alarm that you want, tap on sound, as you can see right here, and here we go, we have YouTube. So tap on it. Perfect, we're good, we've done it. Now we have YouTube as our alarm sound on our iPhone. We can tap on save and we're good to go. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this updated video on how to set any song as your alarm sound on your iPhone for free in iOS 18. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye, guys.